Now, I'm not only a director, I'm also an actor, but I'm an actor who loves to do celebrity impressions. And when you do celebrity impressions, you have to have a mentor, someone you learn from. So it's my turn to play before we bring out your kids and show you their talent. Kevin is really well known, Kevin Pollak, for his William Shatner as Captain James T. Kirk. Do we have any Star Trek fans in the audience tonight? Star Trek? Like old Star Trek, like 1960s Star Trek? Wrath of Khan Star Trek? Kevin wrote this bit that I want to do for you tonight. It's called Star Trek 12, The Search for Cash. Now, I've updated some of the celebrities to make it a little more modern, but what would happen if the entire crew of the USS Enterprise was replaced by real celebrities, like Al Pacino as Chekhov, Christopher Walken as Mr. Spock, Jack Nicholson as Dr. Bones McCoy, Arnold Schwarzenegger as Scotty, and two special guests. So we now join Captain James T. Kirk at the helm of the Enterprise, trying to figure out what the heck has happened to his crew. Starting 2, 4, 76.5. Something strange is happening. Since passing to a cosmic cloud, I have noticed a peculiar behavior in my crew. Their faces seem the same. Their personalities have altered, yet seem familiar. I don't know what to do. Kirk out. Mr. Chekhov, warp back to one. All right. I'll tell you what I'm going to do for you. We're not going to go warp back to 1. We're not going to go warp back to 2. We're not even going warp back to 5. We're going warp back to 10. And then I'm going to take a flamethrower to this place. Hoorah! I'm just getting started. All right, Chekhov. Report to sickbay, mister. Hoorah! Put up the screen. Spock, analyze, please. It's great. I've seen a lot of things. No words. Fascinating. Spock, what's the matter with you? Use your instruments. Wow! I've got instruments. That's crazy. It looks like we're being followed. Hurrah! Try to raise communications. I don't know what's happening here. When I get back from sickbay, I want answers. Shh, shh. Sickbay, shh. Bones. The ship is being pursued to the neutral zone by an unknown vessel. And my crew, Bones, my crew is possessed. They've all gone mad. I need your help. Well. Look who we have here, boys and girls. Looks like Uncle Jimbo's getting a little paranoid. What's the matter, Jimmy? This 5-year mission getting to you? What do you think you are, some kind of space cowboy for crying out loud? Hey, Jimmers. Hocus pocus. Hey, Captain to the bridge. Bones, don't leave sickbay. Shh. Bridge. Shh. Oh. Spock, status report. I don't know. The ship was there, and now it's gone. Scotty, man, what's going on down there? I need more power. I can't give you any more power. You have all the power you need. Scotty, I don't care what it takes. Get me to walk back up. Get down! Get down! Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! I don't know what's happening here. Uhura, put this alien maniac up on the screen. I want to know who's responsible for taking over my ship. This is Captain James. Gee, Kirk, if he goes to Enterprise. I want to know who you are. What are you on my ship? Identify yourself at once. This is Vladimir Putin of the Klingon Empire. I have hacked your computer systems, and I have taken over your entire ship. We're gonna build a wall around your ship. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be fantastic. No! No more talk about walls! We are not building a wall, Captain Kirk. I have taken over your crew. I have taken over your ship. And now, prepare to be boarded! Putin! And